Hey guys, what's going on? My name is James Mason, and this is just a quick day trade in BIOC. So as you can see, I got in at $8.83. It is just running up phenomenal right now, and I'm going to see. Okay, just locked in my profits. I made $620. So what I did, I looked at this on the 5-minute chart. I ran my scanner, looking for the criteria on the 5-minute chart as well, and I saw this candlestick break across this upper band. And if you look down here, all the other news and all that stuff, it just shows, good things and whatnot. And as you can see how it's running over here, I mean, heck, like, it'd have been nice if I could have hit that high right there at $9.78. So who knows where this one will actually top out at for this run, and or what it will do actually throughout the day. But regardless, I made my money, and it's time for me to walk away. Now, would I jump back in this? Not right now, because at this point, let's just say if I hadn't jumped into it in the beginning, at this point, I done missed my play. What it needs to do is basically all of this needs to just reverse and kind of reset itself, and then when it starts that next run, that's when I would do it. So this is just a very short video of what I look for and how I trade, and I hope it helps you guys out. Tomorrow, July 14th, I will be releasing my free stock trading course. So please subscribe to this channel, and you'll be able to get all the updates on those courses and all my future videos. So thank you for watching. I appreciate you taking your time, and I will see you in the next one.